Okay, so may nakita naman tayong post kanina where they tried to talk about making money of music as a beginner. Kung wala kang alam, papasok ka dito, gusto mo siyang gawing trabaho. Is it possible? And ano yung mga implications na, ano yung mga pwede mangyari, or ano yung mga dapat mong i-anticipate if you want to do that, no? So, of course, everyone is free to do whatever they want, no? When it comes to learning the things that you want to do. Gusto mong mag-aral ng music, gusto mong tumugtog, gusto mong magturo, everyone can do that, no? Pero to make money from music, there's levels to it, eh, 'di ba? I remember I did a podcast with Sir Ryan Villamor yata. Tapos napag-usapan nga namin yung about dun sa levels na yun, no? May mga musicians that are okay with the earnings they get from gigs na that pay 1,000 or minsan 700, ganyan. Tapos meron din mga musicians na celebrity status, 'di ba? Na malalaki talaga yung rates nila. And meron din naman mga musicians na yung standard rate ba yung sinusunod. And there's nothing wrong with that, 'di ba? Kasi at the end of the day, I always say, music, your value is based on what you can provide and the quality. Hindi lang basta tugtog, 'di ba? May certain quality na kasama. Ako lagi ko sinasabi din when it comes to pricing is that hindi talaga pwedeng, we can put a price on talent, on skill, on hard work, and perseverance. So kung ano yung meron ka as a musician, hindi talaga yun ang binabayaran sa'yo. When someone hires you to play for their event, or someone hires you to teach them. But it's directly proportional to the amount of time. Parang ganun. Ang binabayaran lang talaga sa'yo yung oras na binibigay mo sa kanila. How much is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours of your time worth? Is it worth this amount para pumunta ka sa event ng isang client? Ganun yun eh. Hindi naman niya mababayaran yung talent mo. 'Di ba? Yung oras, kung if kakwentahin nga natin per hour, sa practice time mo pa lang, hindi mako-cover 'yon kahit gaano kalaki yung rate na ibigay natin. Now, syempre, again, it's always about value, about giving value, no? Huwag natin kalimutan na 'yun yung basehan ng mga rates. Now, if you're a pure beginner, what type of value can you give? 'Di ba? Makakapagturo ka ba kung hindi mo alam yung ituturo mo? And makakapag-perform ka ba at a high level kung wala ka pang alam? So, yun ang mahirap doon, no? If you are going into music to make money, you'll lose a lot. 'Di ba? Kasi pipilitin mo, hindi kailangan ko tumugtog kasi gusto ko kumita dito. Hindi to para pasukin, para kumita. Okay? Most of the time, the money comes in when you're in a certain level, in a certain position, in a certain expertise na meron ka na. Doon lang pumapasok yung pera, no? I remember my brother told me, I forgot kung sinong colleague yung nagsabi sa kanya, na, like say for example, sa pagtuturo, mararamdaman mo lang daw yung value mo kapag medyo matanda ka na. Kasi kapag bata ka pa, syempre, you can't demand higher rates. Sinong magtitiwala sa'yo? Anong klaseng clientele ba yung meron ka na? 'Di ba? Sino-sino na ba yung napagaling mo? Syempre, wala ka pa nun. There's no things that could back up what is it that you can do for the people. So, yung experience mo comes with the time and expertise mo also, 'di ba? Nakapagturo ka sa ganitong institution, natuto kang nag-take ka ng lesson sa iba't ibang teachers, you attended seminars, master classes, ganyan. Ganon din sa pagtugtog, 'di ba? Tumutugtog ka sa mga orchestras, tumutugtog ka sa mga musicals, tumutugtog ka sa mga high-end events, sa mga high-end groups. So, doon tumataas yung value mo. Now, if you're a beginner who wants to start it, wag mong isipin yung pera, no? Ang cliche man sabihin, no, don't play for the money, kasi if you're chasing that, hindi ka gaganahan, madidismaya ka lang, no? Do it because you love music, no? Hindi ito something na papasukin mo ng 1 month training or 6 months boot camp, mga ganyan, mag-guarantee nakikita ka na. Unless you also have connections, you have people who trust you. Sobrang importante ng trust, 'di ba? Work ethic, yan. Lahat yan tinitignan talaga eh. So, don't come into the industry without properly aligning your goals and also trying to maintain a certain character, 'di ba? Na ikaw ay pag tinawag ka, mapagkakatiwalaan ka, maganda ka magpatunog, magaling ka magturo, yung mga bagay na yan dapat i-develop mo muna. So we can't really give a timeline from beginner to to someone competent, kasi kanya-kanya tayo ng pacing. But if you're starting later in life, mas matagal din yung magiging progress mo. Especially if you have no knowledge about music, 'di ba? Yun yung mahirap dito eh. Hindi natin pwedeng i-guarantee na in 6 months after mo mag-training, mag-crash course ka sa akin, ganito na yung magagawa mo. Ako, I don't give guarantees to my students. Kahit bata, 'di ba? Kasi iba-iba talaga tayo ng pace, iba-iba tayo ng stages sa buhay. But again, if you are coming to music because you want to earn a lot of money, baka madismaya ka. Kasi even the people who earn a lot had to spend a lot also. Had to spend in lessons, in training, in seminars, in workshops, no? Time, nagsakripisyo sa oras sa pamilya, oras sa kaibigan, just to pursue this craft. Kaya sa totoo lang, 'di ba? Hindi to fair. It's not a fair thing, no? Na kapag naglabas ako ng 100,000, nag-lesson ako sa pinakamagagaling, makikita na rin ako ng 100,000. Walang ganon. Birang-bira. It's close to impossible. But of course, if you get the chance na gumaling ka, matutunan mo ng tama, yun, papasok yan. 'Di ba sabi nga on the previous video I made earlier, kung magpagaling ka lang, pera yung lalapit sa'yo. But you also have to do a lot of other things. No? Very nuanced tong sinasabi ko. But this is just an idea for a lot of newcomers. No? Maraming may gusto. Dream nila to. Maraming adults na gusto nila, kasi maraming access eh. Marami na tayong access. Marami tayong nakikita na nagpe-perform na ganyan. Na parang andali-dali lang. Pero it took years for someone to be as good as what you see on your screen, 'di ba? Hindi siya makukuha ng isang araw, ng isang buwan, minsan kahit isang taon, 'di ba? Beginner pa din yung feeling mo. Yung tunog mo pang beginner pa din. Hindi pa rin siya magiging worth bayaran. So, yun yung mga kailangan mong intindihin if you want to start this out. So, don't look for the money. If you want money, do other jobs that will pay you directly based on your effort. Kasi dito hindi lang effort ang binabayaran, yung skill talaga. And mas mahirap mag-measure ng skill. No? And habang ginagawa mo, if you're doing other jobs, gusto mo side hustle mo yung music, that would be a better path for you maybe. And hopefully, dumating na sa point na gumaling ka and you can let go of other things that you're doing and do it full time, 'di ba? Pero hindi rin lahat nag-full time. Marami ding ibang ginagawa pa ang mga musicians. So sana nakatulong to. Comment down below if you have more questions. Try and sagutin. And I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.